Alrighty, what's going on, guys? So today, what's going on with the ring light? Today I'll be making two different types of pastas. One is, well, not different types, just different ones. One's gonna be from store-bought pre-made Alfredo sauce, and the other one is gonna be homemade. Well, I did make it at home, so I guess it is homemade. I don't know if it's my recipe, but that's what I kind of came up with, you know, just messing around in the kitchen, because remember, I love to cook, so I'm not really a person to look up recipes, but so I was like, hey, you know what, I gotta learn on my own. If I'm that smart to cook, I will learn on my own. I swear. So anyway, we're gonna have two people test it. You guys know them. It'll be Jesse and Andrea, and they do not know which one's from the store and which one's homemade. Possibly because I've made this recipe before, but we'll see if they can distinguish, and they will be blindfolded, so let's see if they can guess. If you're new here, I hope you consider subscribing after watching this video. Ooh. Oh, I can smell it already. Super delicious. Ooh, that garlic fragrance. Ooh, that aroma. Yum. That aroma. Alright, now after a couple minutes, I like to pour in my milk. I'm going to use some lactose-free milk here. Good amount here. And then we're going to throw in some sour cream. Doesn't matter, light or regular. I just happen to have some light sour cream in here. Just about a tablespoon. Okay, I'm gonna stir it all up, turn the heat a little bit. Okay, gonna let this boil real quick. And of course, the amount also depends on how much pasta you're going to be serving. Since today I'm going to be making two small portions, then I don't need that much. But you can always just kind of base off how much you're going to be making. So, just if you feel like you need more sauce, then just add more milk. And then we're going to add some of the heavy cream. Although I already put in some, it's about, that's about 2 ounces of heavy cream. Since I already put sour cream, maybe you don't need that much of the heavy cream, but that's just to thicken it up a little. Let that simmer. Look at that. Let that simmer up. I'm gonna turn it down a little. Don't want to burn this. So, after I've let it simmer for, I don't know, about 30 seconds, I have my spices. I like to add black pepper, paprika, I know, paprika, and then some garlic powder. Trust, I love paprika. Gives it a whole lot of flavor. Look at that color. Gives it a nice color too. Okay, let that simmer. Let that simmer for a little longer. Look at that. Okay, now that it's simmering, we want it to be hot enough for, I like to use 3 different types of cheeses. We're gonna get a little handful of Parmesan. I'm gonna get another handful of mozzarella. We got some mozzarella, or you can get some Italian blend. And I also like to use cheddar. That be sharp, medium, whatever you like. Boom. So 3 different cheeses. Let that simmer. Let it all melt, incorporate together. Now you can see the thickness there. And if you feel like it's too thick, you can always add just some more milk. Just adjust as you go. You know? It's not perfect, just try it out. You can see the cheese still sticky. In my case, I am gonna add a little more milk. I don't want it to be too thick. Just another ounce or so. See? Okay, now we wait for it to fully melt and incorporate. Now that we've reduced the heat, it's time to add our pre-boiled noodles. I'm using linguine in this case, or you can use fettuccine, whichever you like. I'm gonna use linguine. And this is about 1/4 of a bag or box. There we go. We're gonna use the rest for our other one. Let's just incorporate everything in here. As you can tell, the color is a little more on the yellow side. That's because of the sharp cheddar. Bam. The sharp cheddar. Alrighty, let's turn this down. We don't want it to dry up. And if you feel like it might dry up, you can always add some butter. A little more butter or a little more milk, up to your liking. And of course, according to how you're going to serve it or when you're going to serve it. This is going to be served right away, so it won't matter that much. Okay, now put this to the side. Alrighty guys, this is our pre-bought, jarred, pre-made Alfredo sauce. We're just gonna add our pasta and then we'll get to it. Alright guys, I don't know if you can tell, but this is the homemade pasta and this is the store-bought pasta. Y'all be the judge of what looks better. Probably not the best look. Maybe this one got a little dry because it took me a while to serve and plate, but yeah, that one looks creamier and this one looks a little drier, but let's see what everybody likes, okay? Okay. You're gonna stand right here. Can you stand? You stand right there. Okay. Don't move.
Okay.
Just stay there. Don't move.
Okay.
Scoop more this way. Yeah, right there. No, right there.
Okay.
Her lips are all purple from the wine. Anyway. Okay, let me raise this up a little bit. And before the camera freaking dies, because the battery's a little... Sure is. Okay, you guys ready? Okay. I don't think you even know anyway which one is which. Wow, I don't know how many fucking forks. There we go. Alright. Okay, first, we're gonna try... You're gonna try this one. You're gonna try that one, and then you're gonna try this one, okay, Drea? Put your hands out, okay. The fork, the fork's right there, okay? Alright, you guys give it a taste test.
Okay. Oh, hold on.
Damn, the sound on that one. Okay. Do you smell it? Smell it.
I can smell it.
Okay, what do you think?
It smells good. It smells really good.
Okay. Okay, don't tell me anything yet. Just go. Try it. This is number 1, okay? Test number 1. Okay, you got it? Okay, let's switch. Okay, finish it up and switch, okay? Okay, finish it up. Drea, finish it up. Do you guys need a napkin?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. I'll have it ready. No, I'll have it ready for the other one, okay? Finish it up, Okay, switched. There we go. Okay, here you go. Try that one. This is number 2. Number 2, okay?
Okay.
How much did you make?
I just made 2 different ones.
Oh, this smells different.
You already know, huh? Drea, which one do you like? This one or the first one?
The first one.
Babe?
The first one.
You like the first one?
The first one is much better.
To you, you like the first one? And you like the first one better, Drea? Okay. Alright. Take off your blindfolds. So Drea doesn't like the homemade. And you don't like the store-bought.
She said she likes the store.
No, I said I like.
No, she had this one first. So here, try it again. Try it again now without the blindfold. And then try this one.
See.
Okay, so you like this one better, right? And you like this one better. So is it safe to say that this one, the one that I've made at home, is more adult inclined? It's better. An adult will appreciate this more. Why? Let's figure out why.
That was a little too how would you say it?
Is it bland? No flavor?
What? Not too much.
Is it creamy?
Oh, it's more creamy. This is more garlicky.
Garlicky and drier?
Yeah.
I don't like that.
Yeah, because you're a kid. You don't like garlic. You like it better,
I
huh?
don't like it dry.
You don't like it dry? Usually it's not that dry, but because it took a while to serve, it got dry. But I could also make it creamier. I just didn't want to.
I like this one better.
So,
I was already gonna know that this was yours.
why? Because of the smell?
Mhm.
Because of the smell, huh? Like the flavor. I mean, the scent.
Yeah, that one's a little more. No, I don't like that one. That's the jar.
Okay,
The brown
now I'm gonna
tastes
try
good.
the jar one. Yeah, that's the jar one. Yeah, I don't like this one. I don't like the jar one. Okay. So for you, the homemade wins for you,
No, yeah.
and the store-bought wins for you. So
Seriously,
what
like
I
that
can
one.
do though, because I am a cook,
The
I can always make that a little bit better. The store-bought stuff.
Yeah, you can.
I can always just, you know,
This is dry.
fix it up a little bit.
Yeah, this is dry.
So we can actually, it's safe to say we can combine them at some point, right? Because that way we can accommodate Andrea and then we can accommodate you.
Mhm.
But let me have some of that. Girl, you're enjoying it.
That one's good. What about the broccoli, Joe?
kind of tastes weird.
Mm.
And even this one, I feel like it still needed a little more of the, I think it needed more of the garlic to be infused with the butter.
Maybe if you made that yours like that.
No,
more-
yeah. No,
That would be really
It got dry.
good.
It got dry because
Is this
it took
what
a
you
while
put
to serve.
on it?
And also, I didn't add so much of the liquid,
Oh, that's-
so it's
yeah.
not so creamy.
But she likes that one.
So this one became a little dry. Oh, this one became a little drier because I put more cheese, more dry cheese.
Look at my white
Let me
lip.
try this one again.
Yeah, no, if you compare that with this, but again, kids' taste buds are different from adult taste buds.
Mm-mm.
It doesn't it doesn't have a lot of flavor, huh?
No.
Guys, not just because I made it and I'm trying to toot my own horn.
Doo doo.
I think let's make an experiment. Alright, so what I have done here is I mixed both pastas. Get on the frame. Girl. I have mixed both pastas. And now we can all try it. Let's see if this actually works out. Because I can just buy the store-bought and then add the ingredients, the fresh ingredients.
That one tastes better because
Honestly, I think that store-bought overpowered it. And I didn't even put that much. I don't like it.
the first one I tried, I thought you made
The
it.
store-bought overpowered, huh? That's so weird.
I thought the first one you made
It's
it,
so
but then
strong.
I
That's
tried
why.
the other one and I knew you made that one.
Why did you think I made that one? Because of the garlic?
Yeah.
She had it before.
But you liked it last time.
Yeah, you liked it last time.
But then she tried
But
this
I
one.
think you like that one better because it has
More,
it's more
Creamier?
Mhm.
More creamier.
I
So-
need more broccoli.
So we can just say, oh, there's more broccoli in there. So I guess my only downfall here was that I needed to make it a lot more creamier. But other than that, I think it's fine. I like it. I kind of even like it. I kind of like it dryish.
Capri Sun.
It's more like of a dry pasta. I don't know what to call it. But anyway, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see any more videos. Please, and if you want to see these two more often, let us know down below in the comments. I would appreciate some feedback. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.